Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We are harvesting the last bean field. This field is 30 acres and we got started this morning. We have a full load on the red cart, but today has been a little bit warmer than previous days. It's been down below freezing for quite a while now. And today it is, well, the tractor says it's 41, so the field's a little wet. Dad went down by the woods here on this farm, and I guess he slid into the woods with the combine. So we're unloading the red cart into the red wagon, and then we're gonna go down and pull him out with the 82. The reason we're unloading into the other carts is because we don't want to take the grain cart down and use that to pull them out. We're going to unhook it and just use chains with the clevis to pull them out.
And this happened. Keep in mind, I was pointed this way, and I slid sideways when I hit the brakes. Wouldn't that been cool?
Is that where he slid to?
That must have been, no, this is what I did right here. This was me. Well, the problem is we've had freezing temperatures, and what you're seeing here is the frost coming out of the ground.
We've got about 6 acres left, but the truck isn't coming until morning, so we're shutting everything off and parking things for tonight. So we got to go do some work to the truck. Basically, it's got a DOT inspection tomorrow, so we got to put everything back together on it. Basically, the majority of the things on it are fixed. When I take it down to the place where I'm getting it inspected, I'm gonna have them fix just one thing for me that I can't do. So So we've been holding a few hundred bushels of mine on the Easy Trail wagon. We're gonna hook up to the auger and dump it into this small bin here. So right now my current game plan is to hold the soybeans that are in this bin there until next spring. If you wonder where my gloves are, they went MIA about 12 hours ago. And yes, everything's slippery. Alright. This is one bin I don't like climbing on because it doesn't have a rail in case you slip. Good! Alright, so we're gonna dump whatever's on that Easy Trail in here. That should pretty well top off this bin. The rest of the bin tests 14, so. We put that last load of soybeans into the small bin because I got a text from the grain elevator yesterday saying that they weren't accepting beans until further notice. So since the price is bound to be better next year, what we're going to have happen now is we're going to have the insurance adjuster come down, figure out how many beans are in that bin, and then I can use that to go up to FSA and work out whatever the payment is for the market facilitation program that they put out, where it's $1.65 for soybeans, and they're splitting the payments up into 2 payments. Right now, they're for sure dispersing the first half of the payment, and then they are deciding at a later date whether they're going to do the next one. So, I just don't like this stuff. But I don't know. I'm looking forward to being done with harvest just because this one's been so long and drawn out. We still have a bit to go yet, but luckily we've got all the soybeans out. This will probably disappear in about another 3 days. That's just kind of the trend because the temperature really isn't cold enough to the point where it'll keep this stuff around, but apparently it's going to keep snowing. So I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share it with a friend. With that, I'll see you next time, guys.